performed the wrong operation, failing to turn her into a derivative. We have the exclusive interview.
Indeed. Last week, FOX underwent an operation so as to become a derivative and be useful in economic applications. Unfortunately, after the procedure was over, she found out that she had not accomplished her dream and had failed to become a derivative. We have here today FOX, who is going to tell us her story.
That stupid doctor that doesn't know how to derive properly has ruined my life. Now I'm incomplete and can't help businesses calculate their marginal cost. I don't know what he was doing, but he definitely did it wrong.
We see. So as to help the audience understand what the problem was, we have invited here today Professor Eduardo Sultán, who is going to tell us the procedure.
Thank you for inviting me. In fact, the mistake made by the doctor is a very typical mistake. I am going to show you a video in which I explain the mistake and the correct procedure that should have been followed.
Well, to understand the mistake that the doctor made, first we should explain the basic differentiation rules. So, we know that the derivative of the constant plus the function is equal to 0 plus the derivative of the function. Then we know that the derivative of the constant times the function is equal to the constant times the derivative of the function. The derivative of x raised to the power of n is equal to n times x raised to n minus 1. Okay, so then we have the derivative of the logarithm of x that is equal to 1 over x. The derivative of e raised to the power of x is equal to e raised to the power of x. Then the derivative of f of x times g of x is equal to the derivative of f of x times g of x plus f of x times the derivative of g of x. Then we have the derivative of f of x divided by g of x, that is equal to the derivative of f of x times g of x minus f of x times the derivative of g of x over g squared of x. Okay, so once we have explained the differentiation rules, we have to move on to the chain rule. Here we have that the derivative of f of g of x is equal to the derivative of f of g of x times the derivative of g of x. In this case, the function is logarithm of x squared plus 3x minus 2, and its derivative will be 1 over x squared plus 3x minus 2 times 2x plus 3, which is the derivative of g of x. And this is the mistake that the doctor made.
That was all very enlightening. Thank you for being here with us today. And now we leave you with a weather forecast. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow for more news. Breaking news. We have no. Well, that was all very enlightening. Breaking news. A function subscriptor.
FOX underwent an operation so as to become a derivative and be able to be useful.
The mistake and the correct procedure
Here we have an example where the logarithm.
So we are here today with IFX. So she explains her whatever the hell happened to her. Blah blah blah.